This vehicle is the Westfalia Amundsen 540D off-road, which you'd never have guessed by looking at the window. And let's start off with the price, which is €43,000. And let's have a look at some of the features about it. Well, according to this, it's got a length of 541 centimeters, it's got a width of 205, and it's 206 to 295 centimeters high. It's got 100 litres fresh water, 100 litres wastewater, and it's got 195 amp battery. It's got four seated places and sleeping for 2 or 3. Now, it looks sort of a military because I've painted it in this colour, but that seemed to interest enough people to see it on my presentation of Caravan Salon, and so they asked to see it. And indeed, the fact it's painted in this military type colour is just the sort of thing that will attract me too. It's my favourite colour. Let's have a look inside. So, we've got, first of all, got some money up there. So that'll, don't know if that's the tip for actually filming it. We've got the kitchen with a fridge here at the side, which will open, I imagine, yes, it opens this way, and a bit of storage under the fridge as well. Seats around this table, and the table can be extended by to make it 30% bigger. There is quite a high step there from the seating part to the rest, but for the amount of money this costs, you can't really expect to be much better. Now, you've got a little step up there to the bed as well, though it's not really necessary because the bed is quite low. In fact, as I walk up to it, it comes to well below my waist. So that means there won't be a huge amount of storage under there, but as you can see, it has got a bike rack on the back. Let's have a look in the washroom. One thing I'll notice about the washroom is this, is when you see you open the door and that step up doesn't get in the way. And the washroom has got the toilet within the shower unit, but I mean, you know, it's well under 6 meters in length. What can you expect? Plugs at either end, and they're big plugs as well, sort of domestic ones, which means you can get sort of a net there to put in it, so all the bits that fall off your body don't sort of clog up the system. Which is, I've still yet to find out where you buy these sort of nets for motorhome sized plug holes. So if anybody knows that, please let me know, because I do fancy getting a couple myself. Anyway, in my shower I've also got normal domestic plug holes. Unfortunately, I've only got one. Having two is far better, ensures the water drains off elsewhere. However, as you can see, there isn't a duct board, which means that when you come out of the shower, of the toilet I should say, you're gonna probably get wet feet all over the floor. Now let's come back into the kitchen and have a look at what else we've got down here. Well, you can see you've got some drawers down there. Obviously there's no drawers here because that's where the fridge is, and you've got a big bit of storage down there as well. Also above the bed there's a fair bit of storage there as well, although I think I would have taken the bed up a bit higher if it were mine, just to give more place. Room, I should say, in the boot. And you've got in the bulkhead you can get some bedding or something up there, so that's quite good. Well, I can see people have already been living in this, but there's a bottle down there which is empty, so it has been put to good use. And we also, you can see there's blinds on the front window, so you can black out at night, and there appears to be also on the side windows. Right, okay, now there's somebody wanting to come in here perhaps, so I will move out.